Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop. I have taken that kind of layer here and we can generate the different designs from that layer. So we can convert it into the 3D design. In 3D we have a lot of options, but we will use the two-sided plane. So let's wait for the 3D creation. That is the 3D layer we have generated with two-sided plane. Here I will show you how it looks with the two-sided plane. So the designs we have made looks in this way. You can see it's looking like a mountain. So it's a valley in between both of the layers. So we can change the color from there as well.